Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we are talking about BAINz Inventory software. I already made a video regarding the full software, how does it work, what all the options it has. So if you want to watch that video, the link will be in description box. In this video, we are going to talk about the consumption report. So to open the consumption report, the consumption report is mostly useful for restaurants, cafe, this kind of places where you have a store and you transfer the good to the store or the kitchen, and end of the day or end of the month you want to see that what is your consumption. To calculate that, I keep a start date and then end date. So make sure that you have already transferred some goods that received by your kitchen. So as you can see in our receiving section, there is no receipt. So let me go to the main, select transfer. Then for example, I transfer eggs, 50 pieces of eggs to kitchen and add, then save. I don't need print. Then I go to the consumption. So now you can see I have received eggs 50 pieces to my kitchen. Now my consumption is showing 50 pieces of eggs that I have received in our kitchen, and maybe some other item also we have received. So end of the day, maybe I have 20 pieces of eggs left. So I simply click eggs, double click. Then you can see the egg related all the information on display. I enter here 20 pieces of eggs, semi closing. That means we still have in our stock. We add. Now 20 pieces of eggs added to my semi closing section. Now you can see the consumption is 30 pieces. That means today we have used 30 pieces of eggs. It's a very simple calculation. But when you have more than 100,000 items, then it is very difficult for you. But with this software, that work can be done very easily. So once we enter the semi closing stock for each and every items, then we'll get the consumption cost at this place. For now it is 193. Then another things that we have to do, like if you want to see the consumption for today, make sure the start date and end date is for today only, and then search. But if you want to see consumption for 1 month or for last month, then make sure that you change the month. Like this will be in this case 5, and then search. So basically the date will show you that what all the items you have received in your kitchen within this time period, and on the basis of that you'll get the consumption once you add the semi closing stock of your kitchen. Now we have semi closing 20. For example, for today we have closed the kitchen, we have 20 pieces of eggs left with us, and that will be the opening stock for tomorrow. So how you can do that? It's very simple. Click this button. If I click this button, it will make my semi closing stock uh, as semi opening stock for tomorrow. So I click, it will asking me, sure you want to make closing stock as opening stock? Yes. Now you can see that 20 was in semi closing stock, but now it is semi opening stock for tomorrow. So that's how you can shift your closing stock as opening stock for tomorrow. So first thing that you have to do, you have to change the date from here. On the basis of that, you want to see the consumption. If you want to see the consumption per the same day, make sure the both date is same, and the date format is first will be month, then date, then year. Okay, that's how then we make search. Then this box is to search any item like X. If you have more than 100 or 500 items, then easily you can write the item name and click on search, and this item will be here, and you add the semi closing stock. So that's how I did. But if you want to delete, like as you can see, we have semi opening 20, semi close I add 10, but it's not actually 10. It will be like 5 or something like that. Some double click, I add a 5. Now see, it is 5. But if you make a lot of entries like 50 20 entries you made wrong as semi closing a stock, and now you need to delete it, then simply click this button, semi finish delete. Click OK. Yes. And you can see the semi closed stock is delete now, but the opening stock still will be same. If you want to delete for some reason the semi opening stock also, the entire data from semi opening stock, then make sure the semi closing stock is empty, then you click this button. Now you can see the both of the places empty. What is happen because the semi closing stock was empty and it copy all the data and paste it to the semi opening stock. So now the semi opening also empty. So friends, in this video I have explained you about the consumption report. If you want to watch the entire software video, the link will be in description box. If you think that the software can be useful for you, the link will be in description box. You can download the software. After download, you can contact me. I will make the necessary setting for this software so that you can start using it as soon as possible. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to contact me, my number will be there in description box. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Thank you so much.